Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys how to do the quick installation for the rear piece for the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. So this is how it looks before we do the installation. It's just a chrome piece, and this is how it looks after the installation. Link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the video. So before starting, we want to clean the panel that we're going to be working on. So spray slip solution to a clean microfiber towel and just start removing any contaminants that the panel might have. And afterwards, we want to make sure the panel is dry, because for this type of installation, it requires a dry installation. So with this one, you want to start off by matching the film to the design of the rear pieces of the panel. So as you can see, it has a design going curved in, and same on this end. So we'll start off by installing this section first, make sure it's aligned, and then do the same here. And make sure it's covering the chrome. And it should look like this. It's just a simple installation. If you need to readjust it, you can. Just make sure you're giving yourself enough material to cover the chrome. The next thing to do is just tightening down everything. So grab your squeegee, tighten everything down. Make sure to remove any air bubbles. And then start trimming off any excess material, and then after we're done trimming, we will post heat all around to secure the temp. Okay, so that concludes the installation for the rear panel for the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, that way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.